Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you a simple but very useful tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel, which is the auto numbering. Okay, for instance, if you want to number in column, for instance you type 1 at column A row 2 and then you press period, then you press enter, you cannot see actually the period in a particular cell at the formula bar. So for instance, if you want to put a period, you right click here and then left click format and then click custom, and then here at the general you replace it with a period and then okay. So now you can see a period, and then when you print, you can print this period but you cannot see on the formula bar. So if you want to put a series of numbers here from 1 to 100 for instance, so you just simply select this one and then you click the home tab. And then next you click here at the fill, then you click series, and then this time if you want to number in series by column, so meaning from up to down, you select the column and then this step value is actually the start value, for instance at 1, and then you end with the 100, okay, or the stop value, then linear, and then you click okay. Then it will automatically number your columns from 1 to 100 with a period. Okay, and you can also number the rows. So for instance, you type here, for example, 1 without a period, and then you select, and then do the same, you click the fill, and then series of numbers, for instance, in a row, and then from 1 to, for example, to 50, and then click OK. So that's how to number automatically in Microsoft Excel the fastest way. Thank you so much for watching.